Hey everyone, my name is Marilyn and welcome back to my channel. So first of all, I'd like to apologize for the sound. I seem to have misplaced my mic. I have no idea where it is. I'm sure I'll find it by the next video that comes up. Today I'll be doing my very first unboxing video, and as per the title of the video you already know, I'll be unboxing a ring light. So I purchased this ring light for 23,000 Kenyan shillings after my discount. The original price of the ring light is 24,500. This ring light is from the company called Digital Juice, and I purchased this ring light from a photography store in Imenti House called Purple Apple. But they also have a Facebook page which I will link down in the description. Box. The person I found at the shop, I think he might be the owner, I'm not sure, but his name is Dan and he was extremely helpful to me. He even went as far as to assemble the whole ring light step by step and showing me exactly what goes in where. Let's get into a few specs of the ring light. You guys know that I'm a makeup artist, and more often than not I find myself in extremely low light situations, and it gets very hard for me to apply makeup without daylight, and I got tired of always relying on daylight, especially if like they have a fluorescent bulb, or if I'm not even in the house. There's a shoot I did the other day and it was night and we relied on the car lights. Sometimes it gets very hard, and one of the reasons why I chose this ring light is because even if I find myself in a place that I don't have access to electricity or a socket, it comes with a battery pack. The ring light also has LED lights as compared to most of the ring lights which have like a circular tube. Yeah, it comes with the adjustable knob. You can turn up the light or turn it down. It also comes with two diffusers, an orange one and a white one. The white one is what I'm using right now. My face without the ring light on, and this is the ring light on at its lowest, and then it just gets really bright. Like this is the ring light with the orange diffuser on the highest setting. This is it on the lowest setting. So as I said, Dan unboxed the whole ring light for me at first, and when we reboxed it in the store and I wanted to go home with the box, he advised me not to carry the box because he was pretty sure that I would get mugged. That's why I don't have the box to show you guys how it actually looks like.
In the ring light bag, you're going to find a brown box which contains the orange diffusers. The white one's already on the ring light, a mirror, a metal hand holder for the ring light, a small hot shoe that can be screwed into a bigger, more flexible hot shoe, a phone, a small camera holder, and your charger. The diffuser snap onto the ring light. And I'm just ensuring that they're properly secured onto the ring light. The ring light has a bottom and a top place to slide in your hot shoes connected to your recording devices. It also comes with a metal stand in a white box like this, and this is what it looks like. Open. I'm adjusting the stand to the height level that I would like. Placing the ring light on top of the stand and securing the back. Adjusting the position of the ring light with the swivel. Then just slide in the adapter and turn on the ring light. And there you have it.
So that's it for this unboxing video. All the information as to where I purchased this ring light will be down in the description box. If you did like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thanks for watching and see you all in my next one. Bye!